Regenerative design is an approach to design and planning that seeks to create systems, processes, and environments that restore, renew, and enhance natural resources and ecosystems while supporting human well-being and prosperity. It goes beyond sustainability by actively improving ecological health, biodiversity, and resilience, and fostering regenerative relationships between human activities and the natural world. Here's how to create resilient systems through regenerative design. Embrace ecological principles. Embrace ecological principles and biomimicry to guide design decisions and emulate natural systems in the built environment. Study and draw inspiration from ecosystems, patterns, and processes found in nature to inform design solutions that are regenerative, adaptive, and resilient. Promote biodiversity. Promote biodiversity and ecological diversity in landscapes, habitats, and ecosystems through intentional design interventions. Incorporate native plants, vegetation, and wildlife habitat features into green spaces, parks, and urban environments to support biodiversity conservation and ecosystem resilience. Regenerative agriculture. Implement regenerative agricultural practices that improve soil health, enhance ecosystem services, and sequester carbon in agricultural landscapes. Adopt agroecological principles such as crop rotation, cover cropping, no-till farming, agroforestry, and holistic grazing to regenerate soil fertility, biodiversity, and ecosystem resilience. Water management. Integrate regenerative water management strategies to capture, store, and use water resources efficiently while minimizing runoff, erosion, and pollution. Design green infrastructure, rainwater harvesting systems, swales, bioswales, and permeable surfaces to manage stormwater, replenish groundwater, and enhance water quality. Energy systems. Design energy systems that prioritize renewable energy sources, energy efficiency, and energy conservation to minimize environmental impact and promote resilience. Incorporate solar photovoltaics, wind turbines, geothermal systems, and passive solar design principles to generate clean energy and reduce reliance on fossil fuels. Circular economy. Embrace the principles of the circular economy to design products, materials, and systems that minimize waste, maximize resource efficiency, and promote closed-loop cycles of material flow. Design for disassembly, reuse, recycling, and upcycling to reduce environmental impact and promote resource conservation. Community engagement. Foster community engagement, participation, and collaboration in the design process to ensure that regenerative design solutions reflect the needs, values, and aspirations of local communities. Involve stakeholders, residents, and users in the planning, design, and implementation of regenerative projects to build social capital, ownership, and resilience. Resilient infrastructure. Design resilient infrastructure and built environments that can withstand and adapt to environmental hazards, climate change impacts, and natural disasters. Incorporate green building practices, resilient materials, passive design strategies, and adaptive measures to enhance building and community resilience to extreme weather events, floods, wildfires, and other hazards. Life cycle thinking. Apply life cycle thinking and holistic design approaches to assess the environmental, social, and economic impacts of design decisions over the entire life cycle of products, buildings, and systems. Consider the full range of environmental impacts, from raw material extraction to production, use, and end-of-life disposal, and prioritize solutions that optimize sustainability and resilience. Continuous monitoring and adaptive management. Implement continuous monitoring, evaluation, and adaptive management practices to assess the performance of regenerative design solutions over time and make adjustments as needed to optimize effectiveness and resilience. Use feedback, data, and observations to inform iterative improvements and innovation in regenerative design practices. By embracing regenerative design principles and creating resilient systems, communities, businesses, and organizations can contribute to ecological restoration, climate resilience, and sustainable development while enhancing human well-being and prosperity for current and future generations.